What's the meaning of agitation? Agitation. 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 Agitation refers to the state of being disturbed or unsettled, often with a sense of restlessness or anxiety. It can manifest as physical movements or mental distress, and is typically associated with feelings of discomfort or unease. The result of agitation can vary depending on the context, but in general, it tends to lead to a lack of focus and productivity, as well as potential negative consequences such as increased stress levels, difficulty sleeping, and impaired decision-making abilities. Ultimately, agitation can be a hindrance to one's overall well-being and should be addressed if it persists over time.